What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you guys back. We're in the gallery today, as you guys can see. We got a special episode. It's covering two new projects that we just completed. One of them is a brand new G63 in a special green color, factory green color. The other one is the S580, again, a new one. And that one is a special color as well. It's a manufacturer color, which is like a satin black. You almost can call it a charcoal. Both of them pretty crazy builds. Cosmetically, they look amazing. So you guys will be seeing that footage shortly. But to get right into it, the G63, we decided to do some Brabus upgrades to it. So not every G63 needs a wide body kit. It doesn't need a White Star Brabus kit or any of these kits, to be honest with you. You know, you can take a factory G63, by adding just a few parts to it, you can make it a great looking car. On this particular build, we decided to go with some additional add-on parts. We did the Brabus exposed hood scoop. We did the front Brabus front bumper spoiler, which has integrated LEDs to it. That looks snug and it kind of just extends the bumper enough where it looks more full, and it adds to it. It has these two beautiful illuminated Brabus logos to the left and to the right of the bottom spoiler. We lowered the car. We ran 24-inch Brabus monoblock wheels and we painted it in a custom satin black. Along with that, we did a Brabus rear spare cover, again, exposed carbon. And the car looks amazing. We did the front Brabus B insignia in the grille. We painted the front and rear reflectors black so that we have a cleaner and sleeker look on the sides. And the car's lowered. I mean, when you lower vehicles, it makes the wheels look better, it makes the car look wider and just more aggressive looking. So, you know, you can run wheels and you spend that money on the wheels, but when you don't lower the car, it just doesn't complete the look. So we wanted to achieve that aggressive look. So that's all the details we have for the G63. I wanted to break it down for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy and check this out. I hope you guys enjoyed the G63 build. Let us know what you guys think again, because your feedback is extremely important. With that said, we want to get into the S580 build. Another monster build, obviously. As you guys can see, or what you guys will see, the car has a complete body kit. So front bumper replacement with a bunch of exposed carbon fiber parts. It has, you know, carbon fiber rocker add-ons. It has a carbon fiber two-piece rear diffuser, quad tips, lowered, and it's on some 22-inch three-piece AL13's, all black. The wheels are completely gloss black, inners, outers, and the centers. And we felt like that, you know, accompanies the satin black of the car, and it kind of makes it pop. And then the car has all the exterior chrome blacked out as well, and the kit makes it look aggressive and just like a car out of this world, you know what I mean? So super aggressive looking car. This car is actually for sale, so serious inquiries, please hit us up. You can either direct message us at our Platinum Group Instagram, or you guys can shoot us an email at our info@platinummotorsport.com. So here it is. You know, I don't want to speak on it anymore. I want you guys to see, and hope you guys enjoy the build, but check it out. appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys watching. We appreciate the continuous support. We appreciate all the love. Like, we're overwhelmed with all the love that we get from you guys. Again, you know, we put up with this big production and we shoot these cars and we put blood, sweat, and tears to be able to deliver amazing and quality content to you guys. We appreciate you guys more than you guys will ever know. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification button. We got a lot more coming in store for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these two monster builds.